Hello, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. In today's 5th grade math lesson, we will be discussing comparing decimals. Let's get started. Our first problem states, which group of numbers is in order from least to greatest? Again, which group of numbers is in order from least to greatest? The first thing we must do in order to solve our problem is find out what we are looking for. We are looking for the group of numbers that are in order from least, which means the smallest number, to the greatest, which is the largest number. So I start at the smallest number or the least number, and I gradually go up to the largest number. In order to solve our problem, the steps we must take is number 1, check each answer choice and cross out the ones that are not from least to greatest. And then 2, circle the answer that is left. So in looking at step 1, we are going to check each answer choice and cross out the ones that are not from least to greatest. So looking at A, we start at 3.29, but then the second number is 2.92. Since 2.92 is smaller than 3.29, we know that we can cross that answer choice out because it's incorrect. B, okay, it starts at 7.89, 7.90, 8.35, 8.41. Okay, we'll leave that one there. Let's look at C. We start with 51.32 and then 5.25. Well, yes, both whole numbers are 5. However, 0.25 is smaller than 0.32, so we know that this cannot be an answer choice because 5.32 is greater than 5.25. D, we start with 9.68 and then 9.07. We know that this isn't our answer choice because both of our whole numbers are 9. However, 0.07 is smaller than 0.68. So answer choice A, C, and D, we can say no, those are not correct because they are not going from least to greatest. The answer choice that we have left is B. B is the group of numbers that go from least to greatest. Let's try another one. Amy had 4 pieces of string that were cut in various lengths. The string lengths are shown below, which shows the lengths in order from least to greatest. Again, from least to greatest, we know that we are going from the smallest number to the largest number. Let's look at the numbers that we have to choose from. The first one is 407.3 or 407.3. The second is 470.8. The third is 407.1. And last, we have 470.3. In order to solve the problem, again, we must determine what we are looking for. We are looking for the lengths in order from least, which is the smallest, to the greatest, which is the largest. And again, it must be gradually go from smallest to largest. It can't be a smaller number, then a larger number, then a larger number or a smaller number, or start with a larger number and go to a smaller number. It must start off with a smaller number and gradually grow in length to the larger number. In order to solve the problem, our steps will be to check each answer choice and cross out the ones that are not from least to greatest, and then we are going to circle the answer that is left. So before we do that, let's look at our answer choices, not our answer choices, our lengths, so that we can figure out what order they should be in. So again, our lengths are 407.3, okay, 470.8, 407.1, 470.3. Looking at this, my smallest number is 407.1. Again, that's 407.1. Okay, the next number should be 407.3. 407.3. We have 470. The next number should be 470.3, which is 470.3. And then our last number should be 470.8. So again, from least to greatest, it should be 407.1, 407.3, 470.3, and then 470.8. So looking at our answer choices, let's see what answer choices we are able to cross out because it isn't going from least to greatest. Okay, we see that A starts with 407.1, it gradually goes up, 470.3, 470.3, and then 470.8. Okay, we'll leave that one there. B, we start off, we have 470.3, and then we go down to 407.1. I'm sorry, I don't know if I said 470.3 or 407.3, but for B, we start with 407.3, and then it goes to 407.1. Well, we know that that is not going from the smallest number to the largest number because 407.3 is larger than 407.1. So that's a no for that answer choice. Let's look at C. It starts with 470.8, 470.3. Well, we can stop there because we know that 470.8 is larger than 470.3, and we said that we are looking for the lengths that are from the least, which is the smallest, to the greatest, which is the largest. Okay, so C is not the correct answer. Let's look at D. We start with 470.1. Okay, we know that that is the smallest number. 407.3. Okay, we're still doing good. Then we have 470.8. That stops us because the next answer, the next length is 470.3, and we know that 470.3 is smaller than 470.8, so D is the incorrect answer as well. So B, C, and D are not the correct answer choices. What do we have left? We have A. A shows the lengths in order from least to greatest. This is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. For more 5th grade math test prep videos, go to my website, www.hype, which is HYPE, math.com. Talk to you soon.